Hey guys, this is Quentin. This is our Samsung microwave that I'm cooking up some popcorn. The manufacturers may recommend not using the popcorn button. For the bag, I usually opened, I don't know what the model number it is, but we just bought it new this year, a few months ago, before I ended school in May. Sorry, it's just my sister. My sister doesn't want to be in the video. So I'll keep the phone towards the microwave like this, towards the digital numbers, which I know they're blue. So now we'll cook it for 2 minutes if there's a giant bag. I usually cook the other popcorn that we had that we gave it away has 90 seconds. This is kind of a bigger bag, but not a 7 that I like, see? But on the microwave that we gave our old one, because our old one, their fan died. It's a Samsung. That's our new Samsung microwave. Keep the microwave going. Here it comes. That's our popcorn popping. It's a giant bag in there that they're inflating. The bag inflates in the microwave because the popcorn inflates the bag while cooking. Here we go. Let's count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, end. I better open the bag away from our face. We carry it and open it away from our face. Hang on, let me put the cell phone down, and I'll use 2 hands at a time.
Open it away from your face. Good job.
I always open it and carry it away from our face. I like to take a picture of the word end. Okay. Alrighty, that's my video. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.